If you want an easy way to create and open files on OneDrive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can quickly make new files, organize your cloud storage, and open existing documents whenever you need them. Whether you're using OneDrive for school, work, or personal files, this guide will help you get comfortable with the basics in just a few minutes. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to OneDrive Web. You can sign in using your Microsoft account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside OneDrive, you'll see your cloud storage dashboard, where all of your files and folders are stored. This is your main starting point for creating new content and opening anything you've already saved. Now let's talk about how to create a new file on OneDrive. At the top of the page, look for the New button and click it. This is where OneDrive gives you several options depending on the type of file you want to make. You can choose a Word document, an Excel workbook, a PowerPoint presentation, a text document, or even create a new folder if you want to organize your files better. So if you're writing a report, choose Word. If you need to work with data, choose Excel. If you're making slides, select PowerPoint. And if you just need a simple note or plain text file, OneDrive gives you that option too. After you select the file type you want, OneDrive may ask you to enter a name for the file. Go ahead and type in a clear, easy to remember name so you can find it later without any trouble. Then press confirm or continue if prompted. Right after that, the new file will open automatically in the browser. That means you can start typing, editing, or building your document right away without needing to download anything first. One of the best things about OneDrive is that your file is saved in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about losing your work if your computer closes or refreshes. As you work, OneDrive keeps your changes synced automatically, which makes it really convenient for quick access across different devices. Now let's move on to opening existing files. If you already have files saved in OneDrive, go to the My Files section. This is where all of your stored documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and folders are listed. Scroll through your files or use the search bar if you have a lot of items saved in your account. Once you find the file you want, simply double-click it. OneDrive will open the file in the browser or in the connected Microsoft app, depending on the file type. From there, you can view it, edit it, or share it just like any other cloud-based document. If it doesn't open immediately, give it a moment to load, especially if it's a larger file. If you want to stay organized, you can also create folders first and then store related files inside them. That makes it much easier to manage school projects, work documents, or personal records. For example, you could make separate folders for bills, assignments, reports, or presentations. A little organization now can save you a lot of time later. So to quickly recap, sign into OneDrive, click New to create a file, choose the file type you want, name it, and let it open automatically. To open an existing file, just go to My Files and double-click the one you need. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to create and open files on OneDrive, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.